The Swiss franc is under pressure. Will it really go down? Hello and welcome to another weekly market outlook this week. My name is Stanislav Bernukov, I'm a senior trading specialist here at Exness. And in this video I'll share with you a potential idea for this week, the narratives behind this idea and which economic data would possibly affect it. The brief overview of the previous week's idea. It was a potential short for the British pound against the Japanese yen around the resistance area of between 199 and 200. The idea has not worked immediately and the price is still located slightly above the resistance area, but should it give any meaningful reversal pattern, it still might be an option. This week we are focusing on the US dollar against the Swiss franc. The price of this currency pair has been moving in and upward since the beginning of the year and has broken the triangle at May 17th. After that, the price is consolidating slightly above the dynamic support area. The intermediate-term target is still not achieved and the price may drive down towards 0.9195 after touching the 20-day moving average near 0.91 level. What is the foundation of this idea? This currency pair is not excessively volatile and not very interesting for speculators usually, but today there is an interesting situation building here. It's a differential between the monetary policies of the central banks of Switzerland versus the US. Swiss National Bank had shifted the interest rate down this March, and this is the earliest dovish move among other central banks. At the same time, inflation in the US persists, and the Fed will unlikely lower the interest rate before the end of the year. Thus, the Swiss franc gets under pressure against the US dollar. What economic data could potentially affect this idea? The most important day would be Thursday, when the GDP growth rate for the second quarter would be published both for the US and for Switzerland. GDP is not a leading indicator, but it can play on the side of existing narratives and accelerate the trend. In summary then, the potential idea for this week is a long position for American dollar versus Swiss franc at around the support level of 0.91. The foundation of this idea is the weakening of the Swiss franc fueled by the dovish monetary policy of SNB. The economic data which might affect this idea is a publication of GDP both for the US and for Switzerland on Thursday. Don't forget, this is just the idea. Do your own research and never forget to manage your risk.